हिंदुस्तान में जजमेंट इज फ्री,
वो तो है।
दैट कम्स फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। श्री कृष्ण ने साफ कहा है कि बस कर्म तुम्हारा कल होगा, और कर्म में अगर सच्चाई है तो कर्म कहाँ निष्फल होगा, वो आज नहीं तो कल होगा, हर संकट का हल होगा। मैं लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू डू जॉब, and for a middle class family where your parents have invested this much, when do you know when your jokes have gone vulgar? Explain why Book My Show will remove Kunal Kamra from the list.
Exactly.
Doesn't make
No
sense.
sense. Hi everyone, welcome back to What's the Point. Today we have with us a maths teacher. But that's not all. It's not just a math teacher. We have with us Shubham Shyam, and he's a math teacher who also likes to write poetry and perform poetry. Yes. So I've heard that you started off with engineering.
Yeah.
फिर you went into teaching and now you also do poetry side में. तो वो journey कैसे हुआ?
How long do you want me to answer this? Because
You can go on and on. Trust me. I think people will love to hear.
I come from a very small village in Bihar,
हाँ.
and from there my parents wanted me to go to hostel because 10-11 साल का था तो मेरी हरकतें वरुण वाली हो गई थी। तो so all kind of mischief activities like fighting or you know यूपी बिहार में हम गुटखा खाते बच्चे।
हाँ.
So all the और 10-12 साल के बच्चे को जब पिताजी ने देखा, पापा ने देखा कि लाइक ही इज गोइंग ऑल हेवायर, सो ही फोर्स मी इनटू हॉस्टल्स। एंड हॉस्टल्स है ना, जिसने भी ये कहा है कि बच्चे भगवान का रूप होते हैं, आई शुड मीट देम एंड बीट देम अप, बिकॉज बच्चे भगवान का रूप नहीं होते हैं, और बॉयज़ हॉस्टल में तो और नहीं होते हैं। सो लाइक मैं 10-11 साल का था जब हॉस्टल में चला गया, और बॉयज़ हॉस्टल इज़ हेल on this
It's
planet.
just demons.
It's demons, yes, all around. So उसके कारण से हुआ यूं कि I started be crying a lot, bullied, cried a lot. एक तो language problem थी, बहुत बहुत पतला दुबला था मैं, एकदम half the weight of my average peers. तो मैं रोने लगा, and when you cry, Bhojpuri is the sweetest language if you talk nicely. Otherwise, Gangs of Wasseypur तो आपने देखी होगी.
And we've heard a lot of Bhojpuri songs.
Yeah, sorry. So, so it is very rude when it comes, when people want it to be rude.
Yeah.
So when they start abuse you or bully you, when you cry, and when they find out that you cry, then they start bullying you for that as well. So मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिजर्व्ड और इंट्रोवर्ट इज़ द वर्ड आई लर्नड लेटर, कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा, एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग डायरीज। वो कब प्रोज से पोएट्री हो गई पता ही नहीं चला। It was VIT in 2013 जब मैं वहाँ गया, and VIT is a place, see, I have all respect for South India, but I do understand their fear for Hindi, and I come from a place where Hindi is the thing कि मतलब
Standard होता है वो।
हाँ, कि मतलब whether you are from Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bengal, even in Arunachal, everyone have their own language, but then Hindi is a connecting language. So in our head, living in our own cocoon, we find कि Hindi is the universal language of the country. But when I went to Tamil Nadu, they don't speak Hindi. मेरी इंग्लिश उतनी ही होती थी तब जितनी मतलब पता नमक में आयोडीन की ज़रूरत पड़ती है ना, मतलब पूरी ज़िंदगी में हमको 1 चम्मच आयोडीन चाहिए होती है, इतना नमक खाने के बावजूद। तो उतनी ही आती थी। हमारे बिहार में हम पहले हिंदी सीखते हैं, फिर उसका ट्रांसलेशन सीखते हैं, और फिर इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं। लाइक हमारे यहाँ पहले राम जाता है, एंड देन वी थिंक राम गया, एंड देन वी ट्रांसलेट इनटू इंग्लिश, एंड देन वी स्पीक। ऐसे में आप किसी से बात करो जिसको इंग्लिश आती है, उसकी तो ट्रेन निकल चुकी है, राइट? सो ऐसे में ना मैं इंग्लिश में बात कर पा रहा था, ना तमिल मुझे आती नहीं थी। सो हाईली रिजर्व्ड, हाईली इंट्रोवर्ट इनटू अ प्लेस वेयर लैंग्वेज इज नॉट,
लैंग्वेज बैरियर पूरा।
प्लस आपने वो गाना सुना होगा ना, पप्पू कांट डांस।
Yes.
Yeah, I was that Pappu in my college.
So you couldn't dance also.
Fashion is a privilege.
Yeah.
It comes with the point where you can afford clothes.
Correct.
With change of theme or trend which is going around. For us, where survival is a tool, कि survive ही करना है, and all of us, most of us in Bihar wants to make it big because we have seen what it looks like when it is not big. वहाँ से मैं like first day in my college where everyone is like all fancy. VIT is a fancy place. Like you know, you have lot of international kids. We have kids from Bombay, like growing up in Lower Parel, and then they are going to VIT. So they are all stud. And there I am in formal short pant, first day with बालों का चंपी किया हुआ तेल, and I'm trying to, and people laughing at me. I couldn't understand why they're laughing at me. You
तो
know,
मतलब मुंह पे they were laughing.
yeah, people smile, right? You
Yeah.
go past by and you see somebody dressed weird.
हाँ.
We do it. That's natural. हिंदुस्तान
Right.
में judgment
हाँ.
is free.
वो तो
Right,
है.
that comes free of cost. ऐसे में, like, you know, I again suffocation came in, and like, you know, uncomfortable thanks to my two roommates, and they were also from well-to-do families. So they forced me to change a lot. They would hide my small things and they would ask me to speak in English, otherwise they won't give. मेरा अपना earphone, they will hide it and like English में बोल दे दूँगा. No, just to make me speak English so that I can like get away with this fear.
Fear.
And then and I was to look for anything that could be in Hindi in Tamil Nadu. So there was this organization called Hindi Literary Association
Okay.
in my college. And small group of students who are doing activities in Hindi. I saw that and it's like an oasis in desert. I went there and I performed for the first time in my life in 2013. And I saw that, oh my God, people can appreciate you for that.
हाँ.
Before that, it was just my diary.
Yeah.
I'm writing poems, I'm writing stories, I'm writing my day-to-day life in diary, and it is just for me. First time I performed and I saw that. Then it became something कि इसके through I can be their friend.
Wow.
This is one thing.
This is your connecting point.
This is one thing that I have that people would appreciate. Like I don't have money, I don't have fashion sense, I cannot talk much, but this is one thing. And then it became this tashan. Okay, I don't know English, you don't know Hindi, I know Hindi well than you, so I'll speak that language. I will also speak your language, but I will do poetry in this language, which will look cool. From 2013 to 2017, and then I remember this was very. It became very I became very popular there, and I used to be called on every damn event. Like, you know, there was this East India company being popular there, and there was Papa CJ. He was also a comedian, and I had to perform in between them. And it was a very big challenge for me. Like, you know, when East India company has gone on, Sapan Verma has performed, and I have to go after Sapan Verma in my college. There is 3,000 students sitting there, and they will bully you. If you are very, somebody who is not able to command them, engineering college is the best and the worst place to perform. I am on the stage, first few lines, I'm trembling, and then just went. I have the recording of it and just love it. And then I called Papa CJ. That day I got confident. If I can perform between these two, sandwich between these two and still make an impact.
Yeah.
After 4 years of college, my college, on their official Facebook page, back then Facebook was the thing for social media, they released a poster. One side me in 2013, one side me in 2017.
Wow.
We don't just teach, we groom. And that was like appreciation to the next level.
Wow.
And उसके बाद घर पे गया मैं, engineering done. Being a son of a teacher, both parents were teacher. Papa was a professor, but then he resigned and started his own grocery shop. Mom still teach. The son of a teacher, I know the importance of education, so never failed. Passed my engineering with a very good grades. 8.4 CGP is not a cakewalk. But
Flex.
then, yeah.
Flex.
Maths teacher.
No, maths teacher.
Then I went home and it was May 2017. My father was eating and I said, I don't want to do engineering. It was like it comes through struggle. Last year, when you see your good friends getting placed.
Yeah.
And I have done mechanical engineering. I wanted to take IT in 2013, but मेरे दूर के एक रिश्तेदार ने मेरे पास के पापा को कह दिया कि अरे क्या ये कंप्यूटर पे कटर पटर करेंगे बच्चे, देश में एक नया माहौल चल रहा है मेक इन इंडिया का, तो बिहार में ही तो वो इंडस्ट्रीज खुलेंगी, चीप लेबर इधर, या बच्चा यहाँ। पापा ने ये इमेजिन कर लिया कि मारुति सुजुकी की फैक्ट्री होगी घर के बगल में, बेटा घर से लैपटॉप लेके जाएगा, वहाँ जाएगा, आ जाए। उन्होंने ये सब्जी खरीद ली 2014 में, वो फेंकने को तैयार नहीं हो रहे हैं। 2017 तक चीज़ें बदली। फिर अभी मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग करने के बाद यू गेट अ बेसिक, वेरी बेसिक स्टार्टिंग पैकेज, एंड आई डिडंट वांट टू डू इट. आई हेटेड कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्रक्चर फॉर द आइडिया दैट यू नो डिड इंटर्नशिप.
Okay.
And I can't.
Mechanical engineering में.
Can't be there. It was NTPC in Bihar.
हाँ, और आपको करना क्या था वो internship में?
So it was a furnace.
Okay.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनती है उधर, थर्मल पावर प्लांट है, तो उसके अंदर वी वर इंस्ट्रक्टेड टू मॉनिटर फर्नेस टेम्परेचर एंड ऑल. सम 800,000 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड से भी ज़्यादा. आई डोंट इवन रिकॉल हाउ मच वी वर नोटिंग बैक देन.
That sounds like एक hazard.
It was fun back then, but
Okay.
until unless you are around that, once you come in the office and you have to listen to the bickering of the seniors.
Oh.
Damn, government offices are the worst offices to walk in. Then no, it's a very long answer. It's like I'm narrating the entire story.
But I think it's really interesting.
So उसके बाद से I went home and पापा को बोला कि, और होता है ना जब हो रहा था and you have become popular in college, everyone is expecting you to do this, and then you are finding that work even boring. So it is more repelling. And then I had education loan on my hand, so वो भी था कि struggle वाले phase में नहीं जा सकते हैं. But then lot of thing happened. There is a company, पुणे बेस्ड कंपनी जो मार्केट में एनालिस्ट के रोल के लिए आई थी, एंड दे वर पेइंग वेरी गुड पैकेज. बैक देन इट वाज 12 lakh आई थिंक फॉर एनम, एंड आउट ऑफ 4,000 स्टूडेंट got somehow selected last 35.
Okay.
And then in last 25 I couldn't get selected. And then I wrote one of the very popular poem which got popular. It was written in 2016. वो आज नहीं तो कल होगा.
That is one of my no. Okay, I want to break your story. Can you please recite it? It's one of my favorites.
So when you go through all this process, when your friends are placed and then you see that you're not able to even coming this close, right? कि हाथ को आया मुंह को नहीं आया वाला part. So then in the night, 2:30 in the late night, I'm walking through the lanes of my hostel, crying. I cry almost all the time. Any heartbeat, I cry. And I have a bit of feminine energy that express yourself, not that macho. Kabir Singh can't be there. I can't be Kabir Singh. So with all the cries I hear, like, you know, this can be, this is so irritating, and then the poem came कि माना की है अंधेर बहुत और चारों ओर नाकामी है, माना कि थक के टूट रहे और सफ़र अभी दुर्गामी है, जीवन के आपाधापी में जीने का ठिकाना छूट गया, माना कि थक गए सपनों का नींदों में आना छूट गया, माना कि हिम्मत टूट गई आँखों में निराशा छाई है, माना कि चांद पे ग्रहण है और रात अभी गहराई है, पर कृष्ण ने साफ कहा है कि, श्री कृष्ण ने साफ कहा है कि बस कर्म तुम्हारा कल होगा, और कर्म में अगर सच्चाई है तो कर्म कहाँ निष्फल होगा, वो आज नहीं तो कल होगा, हर संकट का हल होगा. So it's like poetry comes when you have most सबसे कमज़ोर क्षण जो ज़िंदगी की होती है, आप वहाँ पे रहते तब आराम से सरस्वती आती हैं आपके पास में. Then I went home. I said my father I want to do engineering, and my father was like हो तो गई अब क्या नहीं करनी. And I'm like I don't want to do job. And for a middle class family where your parents have invested this much in your
उनके लिए एक
education,
झटका होता है.
it's like for the people in Bombay, you have paid the builder the loan of 20 years for the flat, and then the day of, you know, जहाँ जिस दिन क्या उसको बोलते हैं occupancy, the builders flee and there is no sign of your flat anywhere. So जो heart break होएगा ना, ये तो धोखा हो गया हमारे साथ. My father had the same expression, करना क्या है महाराज आपको. And then बहुत हिम्मत करके मैंने कहा था पोएट्री कर रही हूँ. And you know इसमें कोटा फैक्ट्री में एक डायलॉग है कि माँ बाप के फैसले बुरे हो सकते हैं, नीयत बुरी नहीं होती. तो when he was very angry at that point, all he was saying that कि यार इंजीनियरिंग कर ली, अच्छा खासा जॉब लगेगा, पैसे आएंगे, ये क्या फालतू का ख्याल लेके बैठा है. एंड उनके दिमाग में ना, जब हम स्कूल में थे तो हम प्रेमचंद के फटे जूते की कहानियां पढ़ के बड़े हुए हैं. 1980s में बिहार में 2 पोएट थे जो भूख से मरे. बाबा नागार्जुन, वन ऑफ द मतलब पिलर्स ऑफ हिंदी पोएट्री, ही डाइड ऑफ हंगर. सो पापा को लग रहा है इतने अच्छे अच्छे पोएट्स यदि भूख से मर सकते थे तो क्या पोएट्री करने जा रहा है.
सही है.
इन हिज हेड ही इज थिंकिंग दिस
कि ऐसे स्ट्रगलिंग आर्टिस्ट का इमेज है उनके दिमाग में.
एंड इन माय नॉट स्ट्रगल इज आर्ट, स्ट्रगल ही कहाँ है.
स्टार्विंग आर्टिस्ट.
इट्स स्टार्विंग आर्टिस्ट, इट्स हेल. एंड इन माय हेड आई एम थिंकिंग ओके, अपन को गुलजार बनने का, अपन को जावेद अख्तर बनने का, अपने को कुमार विश्वास बनने का. बोथ ऑफ अस आर लिविंग एन एक्सट्रीम एज.
एक्सट्रीम.
नोबडी न्यू द स्ट्रगल ऑफ बॉम्बे.
Yeah.
So I had a fight and Papa said one day, very fine day comes कि जब सोच ही लिया तो जाओ. I came to Bombay and I realized that in 3 months my savings were done.
Wow.
Done. It's very costly
Just
city.
by living.
Just by staying in
और ये
Bombay.
कौन से साल में था?
2017.
Okay.
I came into Mumbai on like July 15th in 2017.
Okay, okay.
First time I performed on Habitat on 26th July 2017. So I'll come to that.
Yes.
So then I started to, so teaching runs in my vein.
हाँ, of course, your
Yeah.
parents दोनों side से
So
थे यार.
one of my friends
और sorry, your parents also वो लोग math stream में पढ़ाते थे कि
नहीं,
which stream?
मामा प्राइमरी स्कूल में टीचर हैं
हाँ.
and पापा was commerce का प्रोफेसर.
Okay.
And maths is just my favorite subject.
Okay.
So
तो आपका interest कब आया maths में?
I was always like in JEE I could have
हाँ.
cracked JEE, but I couldn't crack JEE. I could have cracked JEE if I could have scored 10 or 15 marks in chemistry.
अच्छा तो chemistry में वो
In general,
okay.
people like if somebody is scoring 160, 150 in JEE, they score 70, 80 in chemistry and then 40, 40 in maths and physics.
Okay.
My maths and physics marks were cumulative 130.
Wow.
I scored -2 in chemistry.
So chemistry was the breaking point.
It was melting point. So maths was always my favorite subject. So when I came to Bombay, one of my friends suggested like there is this organization in Powai, you can go and work on flexible hours.
हाँ.
Started working there. I started enjoying teaching. Always loved kids around me. I feel as a poet inside me, these are the people who still thinks that the world can change.
Yeah. हाँ.
And staying among them keeps me motivated, keeps me positive, rather than staying in an office where people are just backbitching
हाँ.
and people think
Yeah.
that nothing can happen to this country.
हाँ.
So teaching became fun. I love maths.
हाँ.
Love to stay among kids.
हाँ.
They give me motivation. They give me hope for the world. So yeah, and then it just took off. I started my own in Powai. They fired me in 2020. In 2021 January.
ये कोविड के टाइम में था,
Yes.
राइट? हाँ.
Yes, they fired on January 2021.
हाँ.
I opened my own on February 1st, 2021.
Amazing.
And yeah, we have a physical office in Powai, in the same office where they used to stay.
Wow, तो how did you build your own physical office?
First,
ये कोई
it was-
investors था या?
No. 2 years it was home tuition because it was COVID.
हाँ.
So first year it went online. Second
हाँ.
year I went to people's houses. So and then I saved enough. So it is completely mine. There is no investors.
So I had stalked you somewhere and I think you had mentioned that teaching is your profession but writing is your passion,
Yeah.
but you want to make writing your profession
And
and
teaching my
teaching your
passion.
passion.
Yes.
So do you think every day आप थोड़ा close हो वो, you know, to that dream?
Yes.
And how do you do that?
What writing?
Yeah,
getting
how do
close
you
to-
how are you making that your profession अभी? Are you maybe is it through performing more या आप कुछ लिख रहे हो अभी?
So there are domains for everyone who wants to come into poetry. There are domains where you can earn money from. First, performing, but
Right.
performance gives you money once you are like getting regular gigs. साल में 1-2 performances आ रहे हैं, that is on. And there is a long time that will go where you have to perform for free. From 2017 to 2021, I performed for free.
Wow, 4 years.
So that everyone should know my name. उसके बाद हुआ कि जब लोगों पहली बार वायरल हुई कोविड के समय 2 कविताएं वायरल हुई. I became a household name, being quoted.
Was
in
this
the
when you were
service.
quoted? Yeah, by
Yes.
Anupam Kher, Aditya Thackeray. Who else? There was one more big name.
Akash Chopra.
Yes, Akash Chopra.
Quoted by Chief Minister of Rajasthan, the then Chief
Wow.
Minister of Rajasthan in Assembly. Then it gave me the politics love poetry until unless it is not controversial.
Not and not used against them.
Yeah, until unless you're so they quoted. Many politicians called me. I still have contact of many politicians. So when this habitat thing happened,
हाँ.
my father called me very panicking. I'm
Oh.
like, hey, don't worry, नहीं हो गया कुछ. अपने को बिहार में भी सेफ्टी है, अपने को यहाँ भी सेफ्टी है. So it happens. See, वही है कि कविताओं की अपनी मर्यादा
हाँ.
है. हम मर्यादा में रह के बातें करना जानते हैं.
हाँ.
तो यही बात पे थोड़ी सी बुरी लगती है लोगों को, पर सच को सच कहना पड़ता है. हाँ, so coming close to poetry. So this is one performance, but
हाँ.
it gives you money long after. Social
Yeah.
media से you get brand
Brand
deals.
deals.
So these are the two major source of earning. Third, you can have your YouTube channel and earn from there. And people even offer like writing books. But this generation is not reading books
Reading much, yeah.
But there is the trend is again rebuilding of reading books. So these are the 4 domains where you can earn.
Yeah.
Right. Mine corporate brand deals won't come until you have a strong social media base.
Yes, yes.
If you have a strong social media base, you can make good money with brand deals. It is coming through that. I am getting regular performances like once or twice a month. That is coming good. And YouTube is not growing that great, but it is also growing. It is giving me money, like not that big, but it is growing. So these are the three domains we are making money. Third, fourth one is publishing a book is round the corner. Before the end of this year, I will be having 2 books in the libraries.
So coming to your point on social media, I'm curious कि आपको कभी pressure लगता है क्या to perform on social media कि हाँ, my poem has to go viral on social. Do you ever feel that pressure?
See, it's a swing. आप कभी इधर होते हैं कभी उधर होते हैं.
Correct,
कई
हाँ.
दफ़ा जब बहुत frustrate हो जाता हूँ when it is not working, but because it doesn't work all the time, it's something.
Correct.
I don't know what
Jadoo
works
hai
and what does
almost.
not works. Nobody knows what works and what does
Exactly.
not works. It's not the parameter of good content.
Yeah.
It's just parameter of either controversial content or
Exactly.
engagement or whatever. Like there is no. So जब ऐसे तो लगता है obviously who doesn't love appreciation, and social media has become the best way of validation.
Yes.
So when it works, we're like, yeah, we have cracked the code,
Yeah.
and we're like la. Abhi just like a month ago, I was frustrated with social media, and I was like, yeah, I was a poet before social media. I will be a poet
Still be a
after
poet
social
after
media.
it.
So this is just a platform. You should
Huh.
not get panicked.
Yeah.
But then one poem worked last week.
Yeah.
It's around 4 million views on Instagram. And I'm like, okay, we are back on the game. So
I cracked it. I now know social media.
We'll perform more. Then we uploaded few more videos and it is not working. So yeah, we're back to that basic. So yes, there is pressure, but it should not be there. Ideally, it should not
Okay.
be there. It's the ideal stage should be you keep working. Social media is just the reflection of your work. It is not the work.
I think that's a great point. It's a reflection of your work. It's a platform to show
Yes.
your work.
It's not the work.
Which is your favorite part of all this? Do you prefer to perform on stage or you like to post on social media, see how the engagement is? Yeah, do you like writing more, the physical act of writing?
I love performing.
Ooh, okay.
Writing is my hard work, but I would love to showcase that. Social media is a pressure which I have to do it because of the requirement of the society. That's it. I love performing. If there is 50 audience, I will be less interested. If there is 100, I will be okay. But if there is 1,000, I would like, let's go, kill it.
And what draws you to performing? Is it the audience? Unke reactions, how
reaction.
they're relating, wo
Reaction.
sab?
Reaction. When I'm saying something
Huh.
and if I can find I feel like when you're pretending on the stage, people don't find it relatable.
Yeah.
When you go and just let it be,
Huh.
flow on the
You
stage.
are yourself.
You are yourself, and then people find it funny. Some
हाँ.
random stuff I say, and एक तो accent आ जाता है बिहार का,
हाँ.
तो उसमें क्या भैया यार, and then so I love going on stage and performing. That is the kick. All the things are the hard work just for that kick.
Wow. And are there any other kicks that you have with performing? Any small nitty-gritties also, apart from just the crowd? Is there anything else?
People coming to get photographs after that.
Ooh, you love photographs. So what's the best thing that somebody has told you? Like, oh, your writing inspired me. Something that hit you.
There is lot of such stories.
Huh.
Lot, not one. There is lot of such.
Anything you can share?
I remember I was working at that previous organization.
Huh.
I was sitting on this screen and I was making some question paper or something.
Huh.
And I received a long message on Facebook. And I opened it and it says that, हाय सर, आपको मेरे बारे में नहीं पता होगा पर आपके बारे में हमें बहुत अच्छे से पता है. आज मेरे यूपीएससी के 3rd अटेम्प्ट का इंटरव्यू था. आई हैव मैनेज टू रीच टू दिस प्लेस ट्वाइस इन माई लाइफ और आज के इंटरव्यू देने के बाद भी मुझे नहीं लगता कि मेरा होगा.
हाँ.
मैं घर जा रहा था और रास्ते में अजीब से ख्याल आ रहे थे मुझे. मेरी मम्मी से बात हुई और मम्मी को भी पता था कि मेरे जहन में क्या ख्याल चल रहे हैं. और बहुत परेशान था मैं, पता नहीं क्या करता. तभी मम्मी ने आपका ये वीडियो भेजा है और तब से न जाने मैंने कितनी बार सुनी है ये कविता. वो कविता थी गिर जाना मेरा अंत नहीं.
हाँ.
एंड सर, पता नहीं कि मैं आईपीएस बनूंगा, आईएएस बनूंगा या नहीं बनूंगा, मेरा यूपीएससी क्रैक होगा कि नहीं क्रैक होगा, पर इस कविता के बाद ऐसा तो लगा है मुझे कि ये दिन नहीं भी हुआ तो ये मेरा अंत नहीं हो सकता. Such stories, and there are many such stories which I receive like, you know, when I was at that moment, I wrote for myself.
For yourself, and now you're able to write for others.
No. I wrote for myself
Okay.
only. All the poetry that I have ever written is for myself.
For yourself.
It's just that ki pain is a universal language.
I love that. Yeah. Yes.
People will find it and will relate it. Mahadevi Verma is a very great, matlab it's a pillar of Hindi poetry, and in 60s 70s mein she was one of the 4 big poets in this country, and she said this very fine line on an interview with Doordarshan कि जब तक आप डायरी लिख रहे हैं, जब तक आप अपनी पीड़ा लिख रहे हैं, तब तक आप डायरी भर रहे हैं। जब तक आप दूसरे की पीड़ा नहीं लिख सकते हैं, तब तक कवि नहीं हुए हैं आप।
हाँ.
अब मुझे ये बात तब तक नहीं समझ में आई थी जब कि क्या कहना चाह रही हैं, कि दूसरे की पीड़ा क्या होती है, क्या मैं अपनी लिख रहा हूँ तो मैं पोएट नहीं हूँ, मेरी अपनी पीड़ा से लोग रिलेट कर रहे हैं तो क्या पोएट नहीं है। देन वेरी लेट इन माय लाइफ आई अंडरस्टूड दैट कि इट्स पेन इज यूनिवर्सल। इफ यू राइटिंग, इवन इफ यू राइटिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ एंड इफ पीपल आर फाइंडिंग इट कॉमन कि एक दर्द है, तो I feel like, you know, I still have to reach there where even if I have not felt that pain, I can write about that pain, but it's a long journey. But दर्द वो है ना कि मतलब लोग जुड़ जाते हैं।
हाँ.
खुशी से भले लोग ना जुड़े, पर दर्द में लोग जुड़ जाते हैं। So I think that's why people have find it close to their heart, and they have responded the way they have responded.
I love it. That was very wholesome. I am curious to know कि was there some poet that you connected to when you were younger? I've read that you were into Dinkar, right?
Yeah.
Is there any other poet, other themes that you were very drawn to?
I come from a place where politics is in blood. Bihar is said to be in Indian politics the laboratory.
हाँ.
They try every damn thing, like, you know, Gandhi started his satyagraha in Bihar. Even after independence, there was this big revolt against Indira Gandhi that started from Bihar. There is social justice, ka entire revolution started in Bihar. So it is called the laboratory, and people take pride in that.
Yes.
However, that has back, but you know, the वहाँ से जो प्रयोग हुए, जो सक्सेसफुल प्रयोग हुए, बाकी सब जगह अप्लाई हो गए, हम प्रयोग ही करते रह गए। सो दैट्स व्हाई बिहार इज बैकवर्ड एंड इट हैज रिमेन्ड देयर। बट I come, when you come from a society which is struggling to survive, writing romance is the last thing that you'd ever do.
Last thing अपने दिमाग में.
So I was always a poet who was drawn to social cause. I was always a poet who is drawn to tell people or let people know that this is what your history tells you, and this is what the humankind have made the mistakes in. And every poet who wrote on that background, Kaka Hathrasi was one of the great. Adam Gondvi की कविताएं आकर्षित करती हैं। रामधारी दिनकर has become, you know, महाभारत में द्रोणाचार्य was there for I am just forgetting that character.
From Mahabharat.
जिसकी अंगूठा काट लिया गया था।
कर्णा?
No, not कर्णा।
कौन है वो? एकलव्य. Yes.
So एकलव्य के लिए जैसे द्रोणाचार्य थे ना, कि that person has never met that person, but still learns everything from द्रोणाचार्य.
Yeah.
I have learned from Ramdhari Dinkar. In my life, I have read many poets and many like, you know, and I cannot relate with the poets who write is like कि मैंने अपनी जिंदगी बर्बाद कर ली है, मेरे पास कुछ बचा नहीं है. It's like I'm not attracted to despair.
Yeah.
I'm attracted to pain, but give me something that will lead me or that will tell me to fight for the life.
Yes.
It's very important, it's very precious, and I'm not gonna just let it go in despair. So Ramdhari Dinkar was the person who has not only talked about pain, but has given hope to millions. And he made Karna hero. From villain to hero, like just through his pain कि भाई तू बचपन से जिसको agony मिली है, you cannot expect a very idealistic approach from him. And that's what attracted me, the rhythm, the rhyming, the wordplay. And he was born in Patna where I used to live. So all this drawn to him, and then yes, he became the ideal. I have read many poets. I've learned from Kumar Biswas a lot how to perform. I have learned from Rahat Indori Sahab how to perform. I have learned from Munawwar Rana Sahab how to write on moms and human relations. So I've learned from a lot poets. But yes, Ramdhari Singh Dinkar is the polar star.
And is it just writing में या performance wise भी?
नहीं, performance wise it is more Kumar Biswas.
Okay. And आप कैसे सीखे हो performance और ऐसे ही आया? when you
No. It never comes.
It
as
comes
a-
with practice,
it
right?
comes with practice. So, see, when you go on stage, you crack jokes and people find it. Oh my God, it is on the spot. Right?
Yeah. Huh.
It doesn't.
Oh.
It doesn't always. It doesn't. It,
Yeah,
at
yeah,
least
yeah.
in its start, it was not. So when I used to go and perform in college, I know that college people will heckle me. Right? They will do. They will pass comments, and I need to be, pinpoint to their comment.
Yes.
So I would write the script and I will perform in front of my roommates. And I will ask them to pass the most weirdest comment you can think of.
I think that is a great idea for
Then
public speaking.
They would pass the comments and then they will also help me in writing the revert answers for them because I cannot think a pooky answer. I cannot think. I'm a very humble background person. If somebody says you are being bad, I'm like, I'm very sorry. I will not say that mind your own business. That won't come in the first. So I'll just tell you this one joke that I wrote in college. It's very, it's thoda sa level up.
It's okay, we will laugh.
No. It was like, when you are saying that कि clap once, line खत्म हो जाएगा ना, दीवारें दूर ही की हो मगर दिल पास होता है, and then people is silent and they say no ऐसे नहीं होता है, आपको ताली बजानी होती है पहली लाइन के बाद, then they will clap, then you repeat the line, दीवारें दूर की हो मगर दिल पास होता है, and they will again clap, then you read it again, they will again, भाई छोड़ आगे बढ़ने का, and they won't mind, and then somebody will shout something like टाइमिंग सही कर दोस्त, लोगों के 9 महीने लगते थे, पहले आ गया था क्या? And then when you're saying this in front of 800, 900 people, that person is never gonna comment back to you.
Yeah.
And everyone in the crowd will like, oh my God, he's answering it back. अपनी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी, चुप रहते हैं. And that's how you win the crowd.
Yeah.
So initially it was all this practice. I would think of 5, 7, 8 comebacks and I will go with those comebacks on the stage. 1 or 2 will be used. Not all will be used at once. 1 or 2 will be used. People thought that I am thinking on this stage.
On the stage, no.
This is all the preparation I have done. Now after performing on the stage for 11 years, I can think of it now. I don't have to prepare it. I can, like if somebody is interrupting, I can pinpoint it. I have that confidence to do that. Back then I didn't have the confidence. If they start, क्या उसको बोलते हैं? Bullying together, heckling together, I won't be able to. Tremble कर जाऊँगा. But now nobody can heckle me. I can handle them.
तो स्टैंड अप पोएट्री में भी लोग हेकल करते हैं. आई थॉट ये बस कॉमेडी में होता है. और डिड यू हैव अ स्टिंट विद कॉमेडी?
Engineering crowd doesn't differentiate what kind of art form you are performing on the stage.
Okay.
They are there for fun.
They are there to bully.
No, they are there. No.
Not even bully.
Not bully. They are there for fun.
Okay.
They are, even if they are bullying you, they are not bullying it to bully you. They are bullying it for their fun. So until unless you are delivering their fun, they will be okay with it. So when I started performing poetry, it was not just poetry कि एक कविता लिखी है जी आपको सुनाने आए. No, you have to go at their level first.
Yeah.
Then you have to perform few lines for their sentiments. And then you say, now you enjoyed? Like, come back. I'll have a good poetry for you. Then they're like, okay, ठीक है अभी सुन लेते हैं. So my training has been in the like worst ground possible. Now when I come to Mumbai का sophisticated crowd, I'm like ऐसा क्या होता है? What is
they do this?
What is this? Clap, shoot. I don't know. So I go like recently I performed that there is this organization called Anirudh Poetry. So they had this Women's Day special lineup, and I was the only male performing there. Thanks to my ex-girlfriends who have like trimmed me enough to be more on the feminine side and be
worthy to perform for Women's Day.
And not be somebody who is patriarchal and all that. So it's all their hard work. Literally, they have fought on all the damn issue. And I used to think कितना लड़ते हैं, but now all has gone.
But it made sense to you बाद में.
See, back then also used to make sense, but it was like it's coming from the point of fight.
Yeah.
So when it comes to the fight, you don't understand the point. You just fight it. But when you're sitting relaxed and they're like, क्यों लड़ता है? Then it makes more sense. This is like कि एक बड़े शायर का शेर है कि हर बात कही जाती है, हर बात सुनी जाती है, सलीका हो कहने का तो समझी भी जाती है. तो it's like कि आप जब भी ये अपभ्रंश था, it's not the original lines. I'm just saying, because याद है नहीं मुझे. तो so this is what they have done. So I was performing there, and then Anirudh's is an English audience, posh. We are performing in NCPA. It's South Bombay का crowd. They are sitting there. Then every time and like ऐसे नहीं चलेगा जी. मन करे तो ताली बजाओ, मन करे तो हल्ला करो, ये मत करो मतलब. And then they burst into laughter, and it's good to bring you Bihar here. हमारे यहाँ कुर्सियाँ फेंक दी जाती हैं, अच्छा नहीं लगे तो आप कुर्सियाँ नहीं फेंक सकते because it is attached. But yeah, go ahead, enjoy. So I love that.
Wow. So what other differences do you see जब आप मुंबई posh areas में perform करते हो and when you performed in engineering colleges?
हाँ, engineering, see, there are positives and negatives of
हाँ.
performing in engineering college. Engineering college में if they love you, they will treat you like God. There is no, मतलब था ना कि sophistication there.
नहीं.
Either they will bully you down to the stage कि नीचे उतरो भैया तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा.
Or they'll put you back on stage.
Or they will be like shot खोल के ऐसे लहराने लगेंगे. They are like they are celebrating to the extreme. किसी judgment का डर नहीं है उनको. कोई ऐसा कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. No, they are performing in the sophisticated crowd. ऐसा होता है कि if you are saying anything politically incorrect, you are judged there and then. And
right there and then.
You're dead. You're dead. They will not say anything. They will not clap. They will not put you, but they will look like they're piercing through you. And when you realize that you have said something politically incorrect, it is impossible to come back. It is impossible to, because sophisticated crowd judges you faster than the engineering ones.
सही है. Yeah.
They will not heckle you, but they will judge you. You can see, because आप कितना भी crowd रहेगा ना, a performer on the stage can see everyone in their eyes, and it is very visible.
Yeah.
So sophistication के साथ ये वाली दिक्कत है, but it is good that they will not throw anything at you. It's safe.
But they will make a look.
But they will make a look. So political correctness is required over here. Fun is required over there.
There.
So a
Like
different
that.
crowd, different kind of approach as a performer.
So we were talking about politics and art. ठीक है. So you come from Bihar. I come from Kerala. That is also a heavily political state. All the writing there is political. So I grew up. I was in love with Kamala Das. So I found her like this amazing mix of like romance, sexuality, sensuality, but also politics.
Yes.
So for me, I can really relate कि politics is really important in art and writing. But as you said, बहुत लोग they talk about despair अपने writing में all that. Do you think all art is political at the end of the day?
Every opinion is political. Be it art or not, every opinion is political. Point is कि like you cannot escape everything that is happening around you. There is rule. Society makes a rule for you, and that rule are framed by a political discourse. If what I wear, what I eat, what I speak, where, how do I travel, how much money should I pay, if everything is being decided by politics, how my art will be unaffected?
Unaffected, exactly.
Recent example, Habitat got ransacked, right?
Yes, yes.
If I say I will not write on politics, how can I let somebody destroy something that is so close to me?
you?
It's like कि मेरे घर में आके कोई तोड़-फोड़ कर दे और मैं यूं बोलूं कि नहीं जी मैं सिर्फ रोमांस की बातें करता हूं इसलिए मैं क्रोध की बातें नहीं करूंगा. It doesn't make sense.
Make any sense. Context ही नहीं.
These days, and art was always political.
I agree.
As long as I remember, I was in 2011. If you remember, there was this big revolution in this country against corruption. Anna Hazare was leading that, and I was in 11th grade. And I used to paint, water paint. I used to do a lot back then, and I used to always have a tiranga. I still have always have a tiranga with me. 11th kid had this. I will share you that photograph. You can pinpoint that photograph in the
We will
video.
add it.
So, a 11th kid has this audacity and courage to sit alone on the busiest road in Patna. Without any police approval, without any backup, without any political backup, just because Anna had said on 15th of December that the government must be reminded that they had promised Lokpal bill in monsoon session. They didn't. So in winter session, they must pass it.
Yeah.
So 17th December was the date decided. And we were living in the hostel, so there were 50-60 people in the hostel, and we all collectively decided they will go.
ठीक है.
We'll go. I brought posters. I painted cartoons on it. Right? Like Bala Saheb Thackeray used to paint cartoons, the pinpointing, questioning cartoons, you know. And I painted those posters. There were 7-8 posters. I cobbled them, and in the morning nobody is waking up. Sunday morning nobody is caring. Like रात को जोश में बोल दिया था. You know, there is this कि सब चाहते हैं जोश में भगत सिंह पैदा हो लेकिन पड़ोस में. तो
I love that.
Nobody is willing to go. I am the person who is very determined.
Yeah.
हमने तय किया है तो तय किया है.
संडे को जाना है तो संडे को जाना है.
I packed my bed sheets, packed few gadda, took a auto.
तो आप अकेले गए थे
सारे
फिर?
पोस्टर्स लिए,
हाँ.
सारे पोस्टर्स लिए, गद्दे लिए, बेडशीट्स लिए, and I am inspired by Gandhian way of protest.
Okay.
That is, should not be idly just protesting.
Right.
Do something productive there. So I took my maths DPP, daily practice paper. I was sitting there, and there's a photo of that. I was sitting there,
हाँ.
and I was solving my DPP. It was like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and everyone is giving me look.
हाँ.
I didn't give a damn to their looks.
Wow.
It was that. It was that determined me. Then somebody from my hostel passed, and he saw, hey, he's sitting all alone. So again, in that Gangs of Wasseypur voice, he called everyone like, यदि आधे घंटे में सबके सब यहाँ नहीं होते हैं,
हाँ.
तो सबकी ऐसी की तैसी. Everyone in that hostel.
हाँ.
Then अरे वो अकेले चला गया, पागल हो तुम लोग कैसे? And then there was this hurry. Then in half an hour they were there. So in 1 hour I was sitting alone. Then to 60 people. By 12 o'clock it was 60 people. By 4 or 5 there were 300, 400 people sitting on that road.
Wow. The
It was
influence.
that. It was this.
हाँ.
In 2011.
हाँ.
This was my country. This is my country. This was. Now every artist you talk to, they will either be political,
Yes.
who doesn't fear about it, or will simply say no. I tend to keep away from those things.
So do you think they are a real artist if they say I tend to keep away from
No,
politics?
they are real artists. See, the point is कि
वो लोग डरते
जिंदा भी
हैं
तो
या-
रहना है, घर भी तो
Yeah.
चलाना है.
हाँ.
There is this poem. I will read this poem. This
Go
is a
ahead,
very
go ahead.
important poem. I forget, but I had written it somewhere to justify just this part. कि like if you're not writing on poetry, see, as a poet, I'm
हाँ.
disappointed in them.
Okay.
I want them to be more courageous, but should I blame them?
Or understand?
हाँ, मतलब I understand their pain कि ना कि बगावत मेरे किरदार कर सकते हैं बगावत,
हाँ.
मैं नहीं. मेरे किरदार कर सकते हैं तवायफ से मोहब्बत, उठा सकते हैं समाज की तोहमत, मैं नहीं. मेरे किरदार जा सकते हैं सरकार के विरुद्ध, कर सकते हैं सिस्टम से युद्ध, है उनके पास हिम्मत पुलिस लड़ने की, पुलिस के डंडों से, सिंहासन के हर एक हथकंडों से. किरदारों के परिवार नहीं होते हैं, होते भी हैं तो वो नहीं हो पाते हैं परिवार के. मेरे पीछे बड़े उम्मीद से खड़े हैं मेरे बुजुर्ग माँ बाप, मेरे किरदार कर सकते हैं बगावत, मैं नहीं.
Wow.
So everyone is fearful.
Yeah.
They are like just they have a business to do. They have a family to take care of. It's a costly
Very true.
city.
हाँ.
And people are see. Look at what happened to Kunal Kamra, right?
Exactly.
मतलब you know there was this saying back in Indira Gandhi's time कि
हाँ.
Indira Gandhi asked people to bend
हाँ. Okay.
and they crawled for her. कि मतलब उनको झुकने के लिए कहा गया था और लोग रेंगने लग गए. Same thing is happening now. Explain why Book My Show will remove Kunal Kamra from the list. of
Exactly.
performers. Doesn't make
No
sense.
sense. Yeah.
But it is happening. So everyone who is trying to do a business out of it, right? I mean, money man. See, money is not everything.
Of course.
But everything is affected by money.
Yes.
So they have to take care of it. So everyone who is not doing it, I feel sympathetic for them.
Yeah.
I am disappointed a bit, but I am not going to tell
Blame.
them that they are enemies. No, they are not. It is society at whole who is
Correct.
responsible for it. If you see, regarding habitat, I just wrote few lines.
Yes. Please share.
Varun messaged me कि आप कुछ
Yeah,
लिख के ले आना.
early in the morning I was like, Varun, just message him now. Like, I just had this idea. I woke up and I was just thinking about, I was watching Kunal Kamra's latest special. It was on his YouTube. I was watching and I was like, hey, wait, we should ask him to write a few lines on it.
So see, there is this big शायर, उनकी भी शायरी है कि जलते, there was this Polish poet when German invaded Poland. So he wrote something. Like I might be wrong about which poet was it, like which country, but the theme of the poet was like कि when they came for farmers,
Yes.
I kept mum because I was not the farmer. When they came for workers, I didn't say anything because I was not the worker. When they came for factory workers, when they came individually for everyone, I didn't speak because I was not that individual.
Yeah.
When they came for me, there was no one left to speak.
Yeah.
हिंदी में उसी थीम पे शायरी है कि जलते घर को देखने वालों, फूस का छप्पर आपका है, आग के पीछे तेज हवा है, आगे मुकद्दर आपका है, उसकी मौत पे मैं भी चुप था, मेरा नंबर अब आया, मेरी मौत पे आप भी चुप हैं, अगला नंबर आपका है.
Wow.
So this is there. So everyone who is there, and then I did कि why are they doing this?
Yeah.
BMC elections
Why?
are around the corner.
Yeah.
They might be trying to become the leader of the society. That's why they are doing it. Every violence has a dream to attach to it. Should I blame them? I don't know. Are they culprits of it? I don't know. Because society has accepted them as a leader. If society rejects them as a leader, they won't do that
They won't
thing.
do it, exactly.
Society accepts those things, so they do those things. Are they to blame? I don't think so. If you see the psychology of things, you will do things that is being appreciated. I
Correct,
do poetry
हाँ.
because it is being appreciated.
Appreciated.
They do this because their vote bank is affected by this. So if people are voting for it, I cannot blame leaders for doing what they do.
Yeah.
If somebody is talking and saying that, you know, मैं हिंदू हृदय सम्राट हूँ या मैं हिंदुओं का नेता हूँ, and somebody is doing कि मैं मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी का लीडर हूँ, and then Hindu and Muslims are voting for them, then it is society's fault.
Right.
Stop voting on that line and they will not speak that language. Before 2014, all the discussions were on development, corruption. Because people voted on development and corruption back then. Then all of a sudden, this religious, and it's not just my country, it's the entire world. The good thing about social media, it has given us the platform. The bad thing about the social media, it has created the divide. Algorithm is deciding to show you the things that the only thing that you want to see.
Exactly. It feeds your bias even more.
So it is rather than पहले हम कहते थे किताब पढ़ो क्योंकि if you are reading the book, you are trying to understand their opinion. You are trying to understand what they have thought. If I have to understand what Kashmir is going through,
Yeah.
I don't go on social media.
No.
I go on history books.
Yeah.
If I have to understand what Manipur is, right now Manipur
Yes.
is going through, if I go on social media, I'll see what I have already seen on social media. So social media is creating this bias.
Yeah.
The more the divide, more such people will born. And look at what is happening to America right now.
Yes.
The kind of leader, the guardian of democracy has
Yeah.
created a dictator sort of
Dictator.
thing. So this is the drawback of it. It will take time to heal. The society is still learning how to deal with social media.
Yes.
And they are still learning. There will time come when they will learn how to deal with it, and then all the things will go back to then the society will live as normal. But till then, everyone has to be safe, and they have to be putting their voices up.
So since Habitat had been broken, demolished, have you gone back there since?
We tried once, but there was a lot of police, so we couldn't go in.
So they didn't let you go in?
They didn't let any one of us go in.
Oh.
So we started performing on the streets.
Wow. Tell us more about that. What's that?
So it happened like we went to like see for us who जो बाहर से आते हैं ना हमारे लिए we don't have a family in the city. So Habitat becomes a place where we meet our friends, our colleagues.
It becomes your habitat.
It becomes our habitat. It becomes a place. So it's second home sort of thing. Like week में एक दो बार तो हम जाते थे Habitat for one or the other reason. From last month, like since it's been broken, we don't have a common place where we call it like our home. So on the day, like weekends pay, we have started performing on the roads because there is no venue to perform. So simply as that society should understand that Habitat is not a venue. It's an emotion. It's an emotion like a free space to perform, like where every artist who wants to make it big. You see, for independent artists, Habitat is Makkah, Habitat is Ayodhya, Habitat is Vatican City.
Wow.
Because you see any independent artist from last 10 years.
Yes. There's an etch behind
There
them.
is an edge behind, standing strongly behind them. And that's where they are launched. That is a launching pad. For any governments in the world, they should safeguard that place.
Yeah.
Because when they are not able to provide jobs,
हाँ,
people are finding job
yeah.
at that place. And it's not just artist. There are camera person behind that. There are sound. There are engineers. There are lightmen. There is a team working there. So you break that place.
You break so many jobs.
So many jobs gone out of the place.
हाँ.
So when the country is already struggling for jobs, this should have been the last thing that any government should have authorized. However, the government has not authorized to be politically correct. But कोई ऐसा होता है ना एक पॉपुलर अमेठी करके एक शायर है, वो उनका एक शेर है कि हाथ पहले बंधे थे बंधे रह गए, एक मिनट लेट मी रिमाइंड, बहुत फनी शायरी है, एक आई लहर लक्ष्य पर हम सदैव, जैसे कोई भी चुनाव होता है ना तो कोई भी पार्टी एक लक्ष्य देती है, इस बार 400 पार, राइट? something like that, for any political party.
हाँ.
तो he has a very funny take on that कि लक्ष्य पर हम सधे थे,
हाँ.
सधे रह गए. लक्ष्य पर हम सधे थे, सधे रह गए. हाथ पहले बंधे थे, बंधे रह गए. लक्ष्य पर हम सधे थे, सधे रह गए. हाथ पहले बंधे थे, बंधे रह गए. एक आई लहर, तुम हुए मंत्री, हम गधे थे, गधे के गधे रह गए. So it says a lot about society. So when they have broke down that place and we don't have any place to perform, we have made this. It has met more than 300-400 artists across the country.
Wow.
Has performed on this street and they have uploaded it on Instagram.
Yeah.
With Habitat is street is my habitat, and we are performing. We go assemble there 20, 50, 30 people every time and we try to perform.
और ये डेली होता है अभी
No,
streets?
doing daily is थोड़ा सा tough.
Too tough, yeah.
Everyone has a day job to survive as well. So weekends पे हम करते हैं.
हाँ.
So ये this is there. So you know 4 lines is there.
हाँ.
Like 4 लाइनें हैं उस पे लिखी कि जिन लोगों को
हाँ.
इन लोगों में नेता दिखने लगता है.
हाँ.
For all the people in the society.
और
जिन
ये
लोगों
आपने
को-
लिखा है, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
This
yes,
is written
yes.
by me कि जिन लोगों को इन लोगों में नेता दिखने लगता है,
हाँ.
उन्हें खबर हो देश की हालत ऐसे निखर नहीं सकती.
हाँ.
जिन लोगों को इन लोगों में नेता दिखने लगता है, उन्हें खबर हो देश की हालत ऐसे निखर नहीं सकती. बहुत से हारे हुए लोगों को ताकत देता है वो मंच. बहुत से हारे हुए लोगों को ताकत देता है वो मंच, जो जगह बनी है हिम्मत से, डंडों से बिखर नहीं सकती.
Wow.
Habitat is emotion. You can break the walls, you cannot break the spirit.
I think that is such a beautiful ode, you know, to Habitat. But
It
is
needs-
is it coming back? What's happening? Do you know anything? Is Habitat coming back?
The amount I know, Balraj Singh Ghai,
हाँ.
you know, in today's world, I guess he is one of the biggest Democrats in the world. The one who believes in free speech, the ones who believes safety. He says that I would not be the person who will be dictating what you perform, what you not perform. You perform, will provide you the backup and all everything that is required. So the kind of person he has reached. This is not the first time that Habitat has been ransacked.
What were the previous times? Because this is the thing we have seen on mainstream news.
No. It
पहले
was
क्या
also
हुआ
the
था?
mainstream. It came in
Okay.
2019 or something. Some comic had said just Shivaji and not Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Okay.
So भावनाएं आहत हुई थी देश में.
हाँ.
एक राइटर है, वो कहते हैं कि देश में भावनाएं आहत होने का अधिकार
हाँ.
सिर्फ ताकतवर लोगों का है. कमजोर लोगों की भावनाएं आहत नहीं होती भी हैं,
That's so
तो उसका
true. हाँ.
कोई कदर नहीं है.
हाँ.
तो जैसे मान लो उस मंच पे किसी ने कुछ कहा, आपकी भावनाएं आहत हुई, आपने तोड़ दिया, वो टूटा, हमारी भावनाएं आहत हुई हैं. हम कहाँ जाएं? हम किसका घर तोड़े, किस पार्टी का दफ्तर तोड़े हम?
Exactly.
तो सवाल यही है कि सिंहासन की भावनाएं आहत होती हैं,
हाँ.
और समाज को सिंहासन की भावनाओं का ख्याल रखना चाहिए. आयरनी है यही लोकतंत्र की,
हाँ.
कि जो सर्वोच्च नेता हैं देश के, वो कहते हैं कि मैं चौकीदार हूँ देश का, मैं सेवक हूँ देश का, मैं नौकर हूँ देश का, और फिर उनके नीचे हुए लोग मालिक बन के बैठे हैं. तो ये लोकतंत्र की आयरनी है.
Ironic. हाँ.
अब तो क्या ही इस पे कहा जा सकता है. आएगा, वो जगह लौट के आएगी.
So I think a lot of people will be looking forward to that क्योंकि that is the launch, as you said, वो launch pad है बहुत लोगों के लिए. It is so many people's habitat and not just for the performance. I feel like performers, I feel like it's also for the audience.
True.
For the audience, it was a break for them from their normal life. They would come there, spend. I know कि shows happen there रात भर.
Yeah.
They would come from their corporate 9 to 5 jobs, sit there, and that was their break.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I have like a very personal this thing with Habitat as well because when my mom and I moved to Mumbai, she hated Mumbai. So I wanted to bring her to some place that felt like she could laugh for 1 minute even. So I was like, Habitat. So I brought her to Habitat and that was one of the best nights that she had. She couldn't stop laughing. It was one of our best times in Mumbai. So I feel like not only for the performers, it was also for the audience.
It is this positive approach
Yeah.
towards this place. ये जो बात होता है ना कि आप लाख कह लो कि दुआओं में ताकत नहीं होती है. ये वो लोग जो दबी जबान से दुआ करते हैं ना, वो जहाँ तक लाठियाँ नहीं पहुँचती हैं, वहाँ आह पहुँचती है. तो इन जितने लोगों की आह उठी है कि यार कुछ भी था, तोड़ना नहीं था. आपको कुणाल कामरा से परेशानी है, ठीक है, समझ में आता है। आप कोई किसी को गाली दे रहा है, आपको इससे परेशानी है, जायज़ बात है, आपको जो करने का है करो, जगह नहीं तोड़नी थी। ये तो यही बात हो गई कि पार्लियामेंट में गाली गलौज हो रही तो मैं पार्लियामेंट तोड़ दूंगा, या कोर्ट में गाली गलौज हो गई तो मैं कोर्ट तोड़ दूंगा, आपके दरवाजे पे किसी ने कुछ गाली गलौज कर दिया तो आपका घर तोड़ दूंगा। ये तो देश में तोड़ने का चलन चल रहा है फिलहाल। तो
पर फिलहाल तो तमिलनाडु नहीं जा सकता है, तो
कैसे जाएगा?
कैसे जाएगा?
That is
Iconic.
my
That was
God.
so iconic, that call.
I मर जावा उनके innocence पे। This entire episode, if you bring out this sincerity and political discourse of it, it is funny.
हाँ.
You know, you see, they went into that place
हाँ.
with police, to be very frank, you know. And I don't know, police was there to provide safety to the audience or to
Or
provide
to
safety to this is still controversial. Until unless police says it, we cannot say anything. So they went in and they are saying that कि अभी 1 घंटे पहले मैंने वीडियो देखा है, वो इधर ही था।
हाँ.
Who will explain them the process of post production? कि रिकॉर्ड होने के बाद भाई ऑडियो वीडियो पे एडिट का काम होता है। इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि रिकॉर्ड किया, उन्होंने तो ऐसे ही किया था ना, ऐसे फोन घुमाते हैं, रिकॉर्ड कर दिया, डाल देते हैं। So somebody needs to make them understand कि there is something called post production.
And it's a longer process.
This was first funny thing happened, like अभी तो इधर ही था, and then तमिलनाडु कैसे आएगा भाई? अब like what would be the sane advice to that? भाई आजा, मैं तेरा टिकट रिफंड कर देगा। But it is funny. It is like it's like, do you blame such people? I feel like, you know, as somebody who can understand psychology, they are just trying to be a leader in the society.
Yeah.
Society has accepted them as a leader, and that is why they are doing that.
So they are showing their dominance in society.
Society ने कबीर सिंह accept किया है. They are trying to be the कबीर सिंह.
Yeah.
सोसाइटी को राज कपूर, सोसाइटी को रणवीर कपूर एक्सेप्ट करने में वक्त लगेगा, पता है ना। कबीर सिंह अभी जायज बात है तो लोग चल रहे हैं, वरना आप देखो ना ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स लेकर, बर्फी वाला जो कैरेक्टर है, सोसाइटी विल नॉट लाइक दैट कैरेक्टर।
नो,
बट दैट इज सच अ, पता है ना कि आई विल टेल यू, लाइक दुनिया में विध्वंस आता है विद दिस मैचुरिज्म, एंड दुनिया में निर्माण का काम बहुत प्यार से शुरू होता है। पर किसी भी निर्माण कार्य के लिए ज़रूरी है कि पुरानी चीज़ें टूट जाए। कृष्ण महाभारत में कहते हैं, उनसे भीष्म पितामह पूछते हैं कि मैंने तो पूरी जिंदगी भाई न्याय ही किया है, मैंने तो वचन का पालन किया है, कभी भी कोई धर्म नहीं तोड़ा, कभी भी कोई एक बार किसी को वचन दे दिया तो दे दिया, वो नहीं टूटी, तो मुझे ये सजा क्यों? तो कृष्ण कहते हैं कि आपने कैसे मान लिया कि आपका वचन निभाना ही धर्म है? धर्म की वास्तविकता तो ये है कि कोई अन्याय आपकी आंखों के सामने हो रहा है तो आप बोलिए, उसके लिए आपका वचन टूट जाए तो टूट जाए। अब होता है ना कि आजकल आप देखो रामनवमी के जुलूस में राम, मतलब होता है ना, यदि हिंदुत्व में या सनातन में, मेरे धर्म में यदि किसी और ईश्वर को लेके इस तरह का हुड़दंग होता तो मुझे समझ में आता। माँ दुर्गा को लेके होता तो मुझे समझ में आता, वो रौद्र रूप में रहती है। माँ काली को लेके होता तो मुझे समझ में आता, वो रौद्र रूप में रहती है। राम सनातन के सबसे शालीन देवता है, मतलब वो ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं जो रावण को मारने के बाद लक्ष्मण को ये कहते हैं कि जाके उससे कुछ सीखो। और लक्ष्मण उसके रावण के मतलब पार्थिव शरीर के पास, मतलब अभी भी जिंदा है, उसके पास बैठ से उससे ज्ञान लेते हैं कि एक राज कैसे चलाया जाए ताकि वो सोने का हो जाए। राइट, ये शालीनता है। जब वो पहुंचते हैं लंका में और रावण का वध राम ने किया है और माता मंदोदरी से माफी मांगते हैं कि माफ कर दें आप हमें, क्योंकि हमने आपके पति की हत्या करी है, और वो कहती है इसमें माफी, तो ये शालीनता है ईश्वर की। और उस ईश्वर के नाम पर, अब उस ईश्वर का जन्मदिन मनाते हुए आप डीजे पे ऐसे अश्लील गाने बजा रहे हैं, आप तलवारों लेके चल रहे हैं। वो आदमी 3 दिन तक समुद्र में तपस्या करता है, हथियार उठा सकता है, वो 1 दिन में समुद्र सुखा सकता है, पर 3 दिन तक वो तपस्या करता है समुद्र के नीचे ताकि मैं अपनी शालीनता दिखाऊं। जो आदमी अपने पूरे जीवन काल में सिर्फ एक बार क्रोधित होता है, वो 3 दिन तक तपस्या करने के बाद जब समुद्र रास्ता देने से इनकार कर देता है, तब पूरी जीवन काल में जो इंसान एक बार क्रोधित हो रहा है, उसके जन्मदिन पर हम डीजे पे अश्लील गाने बजा रहे हैं, उकसावी गाने बजा रहे हैं, हथियार लेके चल रहे हैं, किससे युद्ध करने जा रहे हैं? तो उस पे 2 पंक्तियां थी कि इन नारों में क्रोध है, अहंकार है, आस्था नहीं है। इन नारों में क्रोध है, अहंकार है, आस्था नहीं है। इन नारों का श्री राम से कोई वास्ता नहीं है।
It's really powerful.
So that is there. So yeah,
So
I don't know what was the question.
no, it's okay. I wanted to pick up what you said right now about this whole, Ram Navami scene that you were explaining. Now, do you see the sort of society that we're in right now that is okay with violence, okay with machoism, basically, violence, all of that? Do you see it in the kids that you're teaching right now? As an educator, what do you see in your kids these days?
Yeah, that is most worrisome. There is this web series on Netflix these days. I am suggesting
Adolescence.
I'm suggesting everyone to watch it.
Yes.
Parents, teachers, everyone to watch it, because see, at that age, they have zero gravity to make any decision.
Yeah.
And when adults are missing in their decisions, we can't expect kids to make the right choices all the
Yes.
time. So yes, it is affecting them. People, Andrew Tate had so many followers is worrisome. People are clapping on rape jokes is worrisome. People making fun of homophobia, people making fun of LGBTQ
Yeah.
community is worrisome. But as an educator, it also gives me the chance to talk to them directly. That is one of the biggest responsibility and opportunity I call myself, and it's like not only teaching Pythagoras theorem, but many a times I will stop teaching Pythagoras theorem and talk to them about if they make any such jokes about being gay or being lesbian or being of LGBT community or any rape joke, body shaming. I'm like, until unless जिस पे जोक हो रहा है, देयर इज, हिंदी में बहुत खूबसूरत दो शब्द हैं, एक है परिहास और एक है उपहास। इंग्लिश में इन दोनों का मतलब ही है मेकिंग फन, बट मेकिंग फन विथ और मेकिंग फन ऑफ।
हाँ.
सो उपहास में आप दूसरे का मजाक उड़ाते हैं, परिहास में आप उसके साथ मजाक करते हैं। तो जब तक आप ये मजाक कर रहे हैं तब तक इट्स ऑल वेल एंड गुड।
ये आपका लाइन है।
आप जब मजाक उड़ाने लगते हैं, प्रॉब्लम वहीं से शुरू होती है। यस, किड्स आर, सोशल मीडिया इज क्रिएटिंग दैट डिवाइड। बीइंग फनी इज नॉर्म। पहले यूनिक होना एक एबिलिटी होती थी, अभी यूनिक होने पे आप कास्टाइड हो जाते हो, साइड कर दिए जाते हो। तो एवरीवन वांट्स टू बी दैट ट्राइब, दैट भेड़। तो किसी को प्रॉब्लम भी हो रही है कि नहीं यार ऐसे जोक्स नहीं करने चाहिए। सो ही कांट हैव दैट, ही कांट से दैट आउट ऑफ फियर, बिकॉज़ इफ ही सेज सो ही
इज एक्सक्लूडेड।
या ही इज एक्सक्लूडेड एंड क्या कैसा बोरिंग है रे, क्या फर्क। सो यस, दैट इज वेरी चैलेंजिंग टाइम. It is impacting society. Yes, it is impacting society. Is society being cool with violence? Yes, it is getting cool with violence. But yeah, it takes it took a century for society to unlearn the teachings of non-violence.
Non-violence, yeah.
A century. So I think it lasted long. Should it go back to non-violence? Yes. How? It's our responsibility.
And how do you do it? So you tell them within class only?
Within class, your actions should speak louder than your words.
So do you suggest that for other teachers also? Maybe if some educator is watching or somebody who wants to be an educator and they're young right now, do you say ki you should bring up things like this in the classroom, or should it just be about studies?
No, see, that is one of the difference that even parents have to understand, that if you are just treating your teacher as a service provider who will teach your kids Pythagoras theorem, then your kid will not provide that respect to that person. And learning is a process of respect.
Yeah.
If the kid is thinking that this person is ever me, then only he will learn.
Yeah.
If the kid think, and this is happening in this country, that you know कि पे किया है तो आपको पढ़ाना पड़ेगा. The parents talk like this.
Yes.
When they talk like this, they are passing this message to their kids. If he does something unwanted, just let us know.
Yeah.
So the teacher, being in the domain of business, it becomes very difficult for him to deviate from the point and correct them where they are. Now, kids will not open up to their parents about their wrongdoings, but they can boast about it in their class.
Yes.
So when the teachers are the closest being around them,
Yeah.
if you subject them just be a service provider, it will be wrong. Not to, and so I think I would request all the teachers to do this. This is very necessary. I remember when my teachers used to talk to this regarding this, I used to get lot of courage to be who I was. Like, you know, when I started writing in 9th and 10th grade, my teachers appreciated it.
And I heard कि you hated Hindi when you started. You wanted to choose Sanskrit.
that is-
And आपके teacher ने ही दिया था वो हिंदी के poetry books, right?
That is the impact of the teacher in your life. Like so you had to choose one language,
Yes,
Hindi or Sanskrit,
okay.
and I chose Sanskrit because all of my educated friends were like in doing this.
Sanskrit,
right?
हाँ.
सब पढ़े लिखे इधर ही हैं, उधर सारे निठल्ले लोग हैं.
हाँ.
Right. I didn't want to be in the nithalla group. So
Okay.
I chose Sanskrit. My father objected this, and it was a big fight.
हाँ.
Before I had to force to take Hindi and drop all my friends from this class and go to Hindi class. But then my teacher generated that love for Hindi. So teachers are the closest being.
Yes.
And you let them be who they are.
हाँ.
If they are scolding, don't go back and talk to them, why did you scold my child? Because then they will not scold them. They're not
Yeah.
scolding for fun. They're scolding because he must have not done the homework.
Yeah.
Right? So, yes, if you just treat them as service provider, you will be pampering your child, not parenting your child. And this is very important.
Yeah.
Because if you keep your child safe from every kind of... My mom used to beat me up like black and blue. She's a teacher and she said
Okay.
that कि शेर को अनुशासन सिखाने के लिए
हाँ.
उसको हंटर मारना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
मेरा बेटा शेर है तो मैं हंटर मारेगी.
Wow.
तू खरगोश नहीं है कि तुझे चोट लगेगा.
हाँ.
तो यदि आपको इस बात का ख्याल है कि चोट लगेगा
हाँ.
तो आप अपने घर में खरगोश पाल रहे हैं. एंड खरगोश के सर पे छोटा सा
हाँ.
पत्थर पड़ेगा, he will faint.
हाँ.
And this is what happening.
But you're शेर.
या मेरी मम्मी ने हमेशा ऐसे कही,
हाँ.
मैं तू शेर है, तेरे को हंटर पड़ेगा तभी तू लाइन में आएगा. And look at this, कि like with all that bullying in my
हाँ.
school, all the shaming and all, I
हाँ.
survived all.
हाँ.
I brought art out of it rather than visiting therapy. So that's the difference. If you are pampered, you will have to, and I'm not demeaning therapy.
Yeah.
It is necessary because the society is struggling on the
At the
whole. I'm
moment,
just
हाँ.
saying that the necessity of that has arisen from the
हाँ.
weak upbringing.
That's interesting. Yeah, I think that's a very interesting perspective to bring up in this climate, I feel, especially in this socio-political climate. It's very valid.
मतलब kids
हाँ.
there was this, हम बचपन में थे तो हमारी दादी रानी कहानी सुनाती थी, तो हमारी दीदी ने एक बार एक कहानी सुनी थी कि एक लड़का था,
हाँ.
उसके पापा ने कहा बेटा टेबल पे खड़े हो जाओ.
हाँ.
बच्चा फट से जाकर टेबल पे खड़ा हो गया, कहता आंख बंद करो और आगे की तरफ गिरो.
हाँ.
तो बच्चा कहता नहीं चोट लगेगी. तो कहता नहीं मैं गिरने नहीं दूंगा, तुम गिरो तो सही. नहीं आप छोड़ दोगे गिर जाऊंगा मैं, चोट लगेगी. अरे मैं कह रहा हूँ ना नहीं गिरेगा, तू गिर. तो फिर कहता फिर आंख खोल के करता हूँ ना, फिर देखता रहूंगा कि आप कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो. तो कहता है तुझे बाप पे भरोसा नहीं है. तो लड़का अब तो बाप की बात तो बाप पे आ गई, तो फिर तो उसने आंख बंद कर ली और फिर वो गिरा और बाप ने नहीं कैच किया, वो गिरा मुंह के बल ठप से. और फिर पिताजी उसका बोला अगली बार से कोई ऐसे बोले कि आंख बंद करके किसी बात पे भरोसा कर लेना है तो नहीं करने का, बाप ही क्यों ना हूं मैं. And that is the teaching, like hard life
That is
coming
teaching.
from,
That
right?
is real life teaching.
Yeah, and it has to happen. Like you cannot pamper your kid all the
No.
time. It is not necessary. You are just raising a weak individual because जब तक वो आपकी इर्द गिर्द है तब तक आप उसकी रक्षा कर सकते हैं. He will go into corporate world where he will find the meanest boss possible.
Yeah.
He will go into stage where he will find the meanest government possible. He will
Meanest government possible.
He will find rogue crowds.
Yeah.
He will find people passing comment, body
Yeah.
shaming, color shaming, what not. You will not be always there to save them.
Yes.
So it's rather make them strong enough to handle those things than to save them from such things. That is one of the things that I think is necessary. That's why I talk very openly in my class about their relationships,
Yeah.
about their bullying nature, about what they think about homophobia, about what they think about where society is leading, what is violence, what is non-violence, how they feel connected to, do they know what Mahatma Gandhi was, do they know who Nehru was, do they know who Subhash Chandra Bose was, do they know their history and all. And so
Yeah.
I do talk about all these things. So I think syllabus gets finished very early. So you have time to talk about this. Until unless they are interested, until unless they are scoring well, everything works.
And I think that's very important because I was from, I think, an institution where people were very scared to be political. It was only in college when things started getting
Yeah.
political. When you're in a convent school, it's like no political opinions, nothing. So I think it's very important that teachers are more open with their students. Now, suppose somebody wants to make some sort of a switch like you from engineering into something like following their passion. What would you tell them? How would you guide them if they're so scared to make such a switch?
See, it's always scary.
हाँ.
एक होता है ना, the road not taken. So this is the road not taken.
Yeah.
So you will find there is no highway built on
Yes.
this road. So you won't come and like जैसे IT कर लिया अच्छा सा Amazon में package लग गया. This is not going to happen here. It takes lot of courage. It takes a lot of time, patience. It tests your patience every day. Every time you wake up and you're like, am I doing it right? Am I doing it right? Until one day it hits. Like I used to post on Instagram every day. Back then, from 17 to 21, I posted it. Like I have more than 800 videos on that. And one video kicked.
Huh.
And then every video kicked.
Do you remember the first one that?
Yeah, Gir Jana Mera Ant Nahi
Okay,
was the first
yes,
one that
हाँ.
kicked. And that one kicked and everything kicked. It kicked because I went to Kapil Sharma show.
हाँ, yes,
and I
yes.
performed there. And then somebody in the mainstream India, like page owners, Instagram page owners, they found that clip there. They posted it, Nub official karke Instagram
Oh,
pe.
okay.
So they found it, they
हाँ.
posted it. And then it was like, I was 5,000 on day 1.
हाँ.
Day 10, I am 50,000.
Wow.
Day 15, I am on 1 lakh.
Wow.
This is how fast it grew. Every time and it was so fun. I'm like refreshing it. 500. I'm refreshing it. 1,000. And every half an hour I'm refreshing it is going 2,000, 3,000. And it was so fun. And then it stayed stagnant at 130 for around 3 years. Around 3 years. It moved, nowhere it moved.
So did you feel demotivated that time? How did you deal with it?
You don't deal with it. You just say, this is life. It happens. It will happen.
You have
And
your
then-
ups and your downs.
And then last week, there is this poem about women issue, about gender in language.
हाँ, Ling. I saw you just put it up. Yeah.
And then it has touched 4 million. And
Yeah.
again from 30 to 56, just in 2-3 days.
Wow.
So it happens. This
It
is how people
happens.
are. So and this is not just that the people are just following because of this one poem. This one poem is bringing them to this page, and then they're watching multiple poems on that page, and they're like, oh my God, he writes well in all that format.
Yeah.
You must follow him. That's how it works. So work hard. So if you're coming to this field, prepare for 10 years.
Wow.
If you have desire, if you think that your dream will survive, if you think that you have courage, come with a backup as well.
So you think it's important that every creative should have a backup?
Until unless you are not coming for parental wealth, yes.
Oh, yes.
Like hard work beats talent.
Yeah.
It can't beats generational wealth.
Yes. That makes so much sense. हाँ.
Until unless you have generational wealth, yes, you need to have a backup. You need to earn money because money doesn't decide. Money is not everything, but it decides a lot of things. If I have to take money from my father, I would have my dreams would have died in 6 months.
Wow. Yeah.
I could survive because I had my own money.
Own money.
I was surviving. I was like hanging around, and then it made sense. So now it is making sense, but yeah.
But you never think of going into education completely?
No. I love both of the professions, so I will be in both. It's
Both.
like when you can enjoy both.
Why not?
Yeah.
You eat both the cakes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Eating cake, no.
No, you don't eat cake.
No.
You
I
like
don't
going sugar free.
I don't like. No, I don't
Oh.
like sweets. It's not like I want to go sugar free. I just don't like sweets.
Why?
I love chatpata more than
Oh,
sweets.
okay. So
my taste
street
buds.
food.
Yeah.
Pani puri.
Pani puri.
Yes.
Chaat.
Or you guys call it
Chole.
golgappa or pani puri?
We call golgappa.
Yes.
We call puchka.
Puchka. Okay.
We don't eat it. So when I came to Mumbai and they said,
Huh.
oh, there are 5 waters, I'm like, where is aloo? Waters was not the important thing.
Is the aloo the filling?
They are putting a ragara into it. That was disappointment. But there are many places in Mumbai which serves aloo now.
Oh.
Yeah, so I have found those places of aloo. So I'm not worried about pudine ka pani or imli ka pani. I'm worried about aloo.
The aloo.
Yeah.
There has to be aloo.
There has to be aloo.
Okay, so I just want to wrap up with a few fun challenges. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, yes. So this is going to be a rapid fire. Just a few questions, like 5,
I
4.
think I have always answered rapid fire. I have not shied away
Oh.
from it. So go ahead.
And it'll be short.
Okay.
So Insta poetry or stage open mic?
Open mic? No, I don't. Stage performance. I don't do open mics anymore.
Oh, why? Something happened?
No, I get paid for my performance
Oh.
now.
You don't need it anymore.
I perform.
You've outgrown open mic.
I perform in open mic, but only in Habitat as a courtesy. as a
Tribute
it's a tribute.
kind.
It's a pilgrimage.
हाँ.
So I host one open mic every month in
हाँ.
Habitat. But I just don't go out and perform because I know that it's a good platform to improve your
Yeah.
art form. But I have that friends जो घर पे आते हैं और हम उनके साथ खाते पीते में मैं अपना आर्ट कर लेता हूँ. So now I sell my poetry. So I don't go and perform in
See?
open mics.
That's the evolution. Then
Comes with time.
10 years, right? You said
Yeah.
10 years of evolution.
16 years of writing.
16 years. Okay.
And 11 years on stage.
Wow. Okay, next one. One shairi that instantly gives you goosebumps.
It should it be mine or somebody else's?
See, it can be anybody's. It's nice to like your own shairi also.
Yeah, mine and it like कि गिर जाना मेरा अंत में.
Okay.
Gives me goosebumps. Can I?
The lines, yes.
Yeah.
Actually, yes.
This is a Thursday story.
हाँ.
So I came from VIT University. It's a
Yeah.
very big college. And when you come from such a college,
हाँ.
you have your seniors placed in multiple domains in
हाँ.
the country. And VIT is a college which just doesn't teach only engineering. It makes you groom, right? As I told you.
Yes.
So my seniors were there in industry as well. So they gave me a director's number and asked me to go there. He had directed one Bollywood films and multiple serials. So I'm like, oh my God, this is my. I cracked it in the first month. I went there and he listened all to my poems and stories and he said, Shubham.
I've read about this story.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
Okay, continue.
And Shubham, your poems are really good.
हाँ.
Your stories are good, but in Bombay we need scripts.
Yeah.
Right. If you can write some script regarding that, and I'm like, okay, I will try. And it is 2017 when Submangal Jada Saudhan is coming into play. So he asked me to write a story where I'm talking about sex, but it is not vulgar.
Okay.
And now, when do you know when your jokes have gone vulgar? Someone amongst you says that ये बहुत ज़्यादा.
हाँ. Or someone goes,
And that someone will never be a boy.
oh.
Never be a boy. You make, filthiest of joke, and then dark हो गया. So you have to have
Yeah.
a girl around you, surrounding which chill. No, this is not right.
Yeah.
As I told you, my ex-girlfriends
Yeah.
have done a good work, but only after coming to Mumbai. Now, in my college, I come from a mechanical engineering background.
Okay.
We had 720 students in our batch in mechanical engineering. Out of them, 13 were girls. First year,
Wow.
they all
Ratio.
tried to be girls, right? Doing makeup, dressing up. But then saw so many boys doing nothing at all. ऐसे हाफ पैंट पहन के कॉलेज चले आ रहे हैं. Like, what do we call it? Capris, right? बाल जैसे तैसे बना के रखे. No, when you go into a crowd which doesn't give a damn to grooming,
Yeah.
your motivation to groom get killed.
हाँ.
So by the fourth year, the girls were like wearing anything and coming anything. Like they would be making meanest joke possible. Like they have taken off the surrounding, right? होता है ना कि the संगत से गुण होते हैं, संगत से गुण जात. तो उनके लड़कियों वाले भाव तो चले ही गए थे. That they are making मतलब crankiest of jokes. Now when he said that to write a script which should be talking about sex, but not vulgar.
Vulgar.
I thought it is not vulgar, but it is just talking about sex, and which was damn vulgar. I went on to him and I narrated the synopsis of it. He listened to me 2 minutes. He kept mum. शुभम, कि इतनी वाहियात है. हंसी आ रही इसको. मेरा सपना मसला जा रहा था. Wait, let me get into the
Okay,
character.
sorry.
शुभम, ये इतनी वाहियात है कि मैं इसको फाड़ के फेंकने की भी टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूंगा. I'm shocked, right? This is like your opportunity slipping out.
Slipping out.
And then he said, ऐसा करो, go and take that engineering job that you have got from your college, see the world for 4-5 years, and come back to Mumbai. Then हो सकता है कि हम साथ में काम करें. You know, from letting yourself down to being angry, this one statement made that possible. I cook really good food. सो आई नो दैट कि एक दिन सब्जी में ज्यादा नमक पड़ गई, इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता कि आप अगले 10 साल तक किचन में नहीं घुस सकते।
हाँ, यस।
एक दिन मैंने स्क्रिप्ट खराब कर दी है, एक स्क्रिप्ट खराब की, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं ये छोड़ दूं बॉम्बे एंड यू डोंट हैव अथॉरिटी टू से दैट। From there, I was like, it is 23rd July 2017. I'm गोरेगांव रहेजा कॉम्प्लेक्स से उन रेलवे स्टेशन से उनका घर 4 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे थी और 23 जुलाई का दिन है, तपती दोपहरी में मैं अकेले चल रहा हूँ सड़क पे एंड आई कुड हैव टेकन ऑटो बट आई वाज सो एंग्री दैट आई एम नॉट केयरफुल अबाउट द हीट ऑफ द सन एंड देन द टू इमेजरी केम टू माइंड। लाइक द फर्स्ट, एक चिड़िया है जो चोंच में तिनका लेके उड़ने की कोशिश कर रही है और दूसरी इमेजरी आई कि आपने ग्लैडिएटर देखी है?
हाँ।
माने कि वहां पे वो पिट चुका है, जमीन पे पड़ा हुआ है एंड लाइक नो होप फॉर हिम टू राइज अगेन।
या
दिस टू इमेजरी द पोएम स्टार्ट्स कि दो तीन वर्ड्स हैं। पर मतलब पंख होता है, परवाज इस फिर से उड़ने की शक्ति, एंड अरिहंत इस जैन धर्म में तीर्थंकर थे, मतलब गॉड नियर गॉड, कि जिनकी कहीं ऐसी अवधारणा है, माना जाता है ऐसा कि वो जो कह देते थे वो हो जाता था। बट दिस थ्योरी कि पर में परवाज की शक्ति है, मन में आगाज की शक्ति है। पर में परवाज की शक्ति है, मन में आगाज की शक्ति है, जो चोंच में तिनका डाले डाली पर दो आंखें तकती हैं, वो परख रही हैं तूफान के बाजू में कितनी ताकत है। वो परख रही हैं तूफान के बाजू में कितनी ताकत है, वो देख रही हैं दूर दूर तक नाम मात्र की राहत है। पैरों से धक्का डाली पर पंखों से हवा ढकेली है, पैरों से धक्का डाली पर पंखों से हवा ढकेली है, वो आसमान में तूफानों से लड़ती जान अकेली है। पर लगी सांस जब फूलने तो तूफान ने मौका लपक लिया, पर लगी सांस जब फूलने तो तूफान ने मौका लपक लिया, आसमान की उम्मीदों को ला धरती पर पटक दिया। पर झाड़ रही है धूल परों से रगों में गजब रवानी है, पर झाड़ रही है धूल परों से रगों में गजब रवानी है, चोट खाने के बावजूद उड़ने की ललक पुरानी है। तब रखो घोषणा अपनी अपनी अपने अपने कंठों में, तब रखो घोषणा अपनी अपनी अपने अपने कंठों में, गलत करूंगा साबित सबको, यहाँ कोई अरिहंत नहीं, गिर जाना मेरा अंत नहीं, गिर जाना मेरा अंत नहीं। मुखरे पर धूल लगी माना माथा फूटा माना लेकिन, मुखरे पर धूल लगी माना माथा फूटा माना लेकिन, गालों पर थप्पड़ खाए हैं जबरा टूटा माना लेकिन, माना की सांसें उखड़ रही और धक्का लगता धड़कन से, लो मान लिया कि कांप गया है पूर्ण बदन अंतर्मन से। पर आंखों से अंगारे मैं नथनों से तूफान लाऊंगा, पर आंखों से अंगारे मैं नथनों से तूफान लाऊंगा, मैं गिर गिर कर भी धरती पर हर बार खड़ा हो जाऊंगा। मुट्ठी में भींच लिया तारा तुम नगर में ढोल पिटा दो जी, मुट्ठी में भींच लिया तारा तुम नगर में ढोल पिटा दो जी, कि अंधेरे हो लाख घने पर अंधेरे अनंत नहीं, गिर जाना मेरा अंत नहीं, गिर जाना मेरा अंत नहीं।
Goosebumps. I had watched this on YouTube also. तो अभी getting the live version is feeling and with longer hair.
Yes.
YouTube पे आपका छोटा बाल था.
Yeah.
So now
that
it
was
feels
2018, like
Yeah.
7 years ago. I was no beard, एकदम
हाँ.
चिकना लड़का. So yeah. And
I
the
think we're very
tonicity have also
privileged
improved.
here. Thank you so much.
Yeah, your questions. It was rapid fire.
See, this is something everybody who watches this podcast knows that no rapid fire has ever been a rapid fire.
Yeah.
It has turned into a proper interview in its own. Next one. एक Bollywood movie that matches your poetry vibe, you feel.
स्वदेश.
Okay. I like it. Okay. Heartbreak पे best लिखा गया line आपका.
This is so many poems.
Your favorite.
See, it's I don't write शायरी much.
Okay.
I write longer poems.
Poems, कविता.
So and शायरी is just like आके बात खत्म हो गई है. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है नहीं, इसमें से थोड़ा और कंटेंट निकाला जा सकता था. So there this poem goes कि यूं आंखों में सैलाब उठा और गालों तक हर लहर गई, यूं हृदय के जज्बात की ज्वाला लब तक आकर ठहर गई, यूं कहना तो था बहुत मगर हर जख्म दिखाना भारी था, उन जख्मों को शब्दों में पिरोकर लब तक लाना भारी था, और कहते भी तो किससे हम नाजुक सा दिल जिसने तोड़ा, जीवन के अमर भंवर में जिसने तन्हा सा मुझको छोड़ा, मैं क्यों अपने जज्बातों को यूं ही तुझ पे बर्बाद करूं, मैं क्यों अपने जज्बातों को यूं ही तुझ पे बर्बाद करूं, कहीं और लगाऊं भावों को कुछ और कहीं आबाद करूं, तो भौरे सालों उड़ चला हर बाग की कली खिलाने को, तो भौरे सालों उड़ चला हर बाग की कली खिलाने को, जिस दिल को तुमने ठोकर दी उस दिल को कहीं लगाने को, मैं फिर से प्यार लुटाने को, मैं फिर से प्यार को पाने को, जीवन पथ पर चल निकला हूँ जीवन को सफल बनाने को।
तो इसका इंस्पिरेशन क्या था? क्या कुछ हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ था? One of the exes who
nobody
trained
writes
you.
poetry on heartbreak until they go through it, because until you go
true.
through it you believe that this is
Nonsense.
all. This is all. The girl I have got, she is my Sita of my Ram.
Oh.
I'm gonna marry her, like you know, we'll have 2 kids. छोटे शहर में पहली गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ छोटे शहर के लड़के पहली गर्लफ्रेंड को अपनी धर्मपत्नी मानते हैं और उसके साथ 2-3 बच्चे जो प्लान कर रखे हैं उनके नाम तक रख लेते हैं। मुझे भी पता है मेरे छोटे बच्चे का नाम क्या होना चाहिए था, but now he is the character in one of my stories.
Oh.
Just listen to my stories and try to find out which one is.
We will find out. Everyone will now start looking. Yeah. Whoever watches you. So, okay, we have a freestyle challenge. So we're going to give you 3 random words. Okay. So usse you have to make a quick 4-line poem. Can be very bad also.
Yeah.
So these are 3 words. Ready?
Go ahead.
Breakup, chai, and Instagram.
No. See, if you have known one thing, I don't use English words in my Hindi poetries.
Okay, then.
So breakup
को
Instagram
और chai.
दिल का टूटा हुआ आशिक, दिल टूटा हुआ आशिक कब तक इंस्टाग्राम पे जाए, कब तक देखे सबकी खुशियाँ, कब तक करता हाय, रात में कब तक मदिरा पीकर अपनी आंखें काली करते, एक हाथ में सिगरेट ले लो एक हाथ में चाय। क्या लिख रहा हूँ मैं? What is this? This was the worst of my performance ever. Oh my god, yeah.
But you had to come up with it in 5 minutes. Yeah. 2 minutes में you made it up. I think this is still one kala.
Yeah. No, that's why there is no competition of poetry, because it takes time.
Yeah. That's also true. But you know, in school they used to have these, you know, poetry competitions. It was called spin the yarn, कुछ तो बोलते थे उसको. And they'll give you a time and you have to do it within that.
हमारे स्कूल में यूं होता था, जैसे आप अंताक्षरी खेलते हो ना गानों की, तो हम अंताक्षरी खेलते थे कविताओं की, मुहावरों की और कबीर के दोहों की। तो जैसे कि कबीरा खरा बाजार में लिए मशाला हाथ, जे घर फूका अपना सो आए हमारे साथ, थौ से अभी बोलना है सामने वाले को। तो इस तरह से हम खेलते थे, तो इसलिए हमारी लिटरेचर थोड़ी सी स्ट्रांग है एज कम्पेयर टू द पीपल हु हैव बोर्न एंड बॉट
currently. Yeah. I like that. Very interesting. क्योंकि हमारे टाइम में भी नहीं है. I think it's also generation.
We didn't had the smartphones. We didn't had Instagrams. We didn't had
Chai
PS5.
we had, but
So we wanted to find fun in whatever we had.
So. And okay, I'm going to show you few pictures. Can you write maybe some lines for it?
Okay.
It can be very.
Please, something I have already written.
I don't think you have written about this. So this is crushed samosa for those who are watching. I hope you have not written about crushed samosa.
Why? Can I skip this? Well, people know I write good poetry. If people hear this, this is so anti-branding.
Then this is, instead I'm putting this for the people who are watching. Yeah. If you want to write something on this, please put it down in the comments down below. Samosa. It's crushed samosa. And maybe later you can comment your own.
You know why I'm not saying anything about samosa right now? Because one of my reel have recently gone viral. It has touched 3 millions. And we do podcast as well. So mine is kitchen ki kavita where we cook something.
Yes, I saw.
So one of my guests was Sachi Pathak. She's the actress, the singer. And she was telling about her Gwalior experience. There is a place in Gwalior where they serve samosa with aloo ki sabji and chutney.
Okay.
And the India felt offended. आलू की सब्जी के साथ समोसे कौन खाता है? दीदी कुछ भी फेंक रही हैं, दीदी लंबी फेंक रही हैं. And I'm like, oh no. And because of this comments only, this has gone viral. That's what I'm saying, talking about initially.
You don't want to bring in more controversy to samosa.
Samosa is
controversial.
Spiritual. किसी की भावनाएं हाथ हुई हमारे समोसा वाले बयान से तो हम माफी मांगते हैं. Please don't break my kitchen.
But you can drop your controversial comments on samosa
And that,
here if you
dropping
want.
Controversial comment is still legal in this country. It should be illegal,
should.
but it's illegal. It's legal, yes. People comment damn mean things.
What's the worst comment you've gotten?
I won't say.
Yeah, I think you'd get censored. Okay.
I won't say.
Okay, how do you deal with negative
I
comments
don't
on your
care.
work?
I just feel like until unless you are commenting, you are helping me.
All PR is good PR in a way.
I won't read it, but until unless you are commenting, actually, if you wanted to, pull me down, right?
Yeah.
But by commenting on my videos, you're not doing exactly. So, if you want to comment negative, don't comment.
I don't read it.
Yeah, I don't read it. How can I read it? There is
You don't read
3,000
comments?
There are 3,000 comments on a video.
But you
can't
read DMs.
I read DMs.
Okay.
I read DMs. So if Instagram knows few of the words which I have, like Instagram gives you opportunity to select few words which you want not to hear again.
Not to hear,
So all the messages which will contain such words will go into hidden folder, and I enter hidden folder and delete all this. So I don't.
I think
read
that's
such.
great.
So people will not know what are the words. I will not even tell them.
You
the
shouldn't.
So
They'll find loophole.
So if they are offensive, they are offensive, they are abusive, they are problematic. So such words have been created and just.
Okay. So before we end, I just want you to give a line of advice, a word of advice to all the youth out there, regardless of what they're into, what they want to do. What is something that you want to tell them?
पंजाब के एक शायर हुए, पोएट हुए, उन्होंने कहा था कि उनकी एक कविता है जिसमें कि सबसे खतरनाक बात ये नहीं होता कि कोई किसी का खून कर दे. उस पूरी कविता में जो अंतिम लाइन आती है कि दुनिया में सबसे खतरनाक होता है सपनों का मर जाना, लोगों का मुर्दा खामोशी से भर जाना. इस दौर में बहुत सारी कोशिशें यूं होगी कि आप अपने सपनों को मारकर भेड़ बकरियों की तरह उनके भीड़ का हिस्सा बन जाएं. अपने लिए, देश के लिए, ईश्वर के लिए, घर परिवार के लिए ज़रूरी है कि आप सपने देखते रहें. पूरा करना ना करना है एक विकल्प रहेगा, सपने देखना ज़रूरी है.
Wow. I think that is a great note to leave it on for all the youth that are watching.
Thank you for having
Don't
me.
let your dreams die.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Shubham. It was so great talking to you. I think we've spoken about so many things everywhere all at once. And I'm sure so many people will be inspired. They might laugh a little bit here and there.
Yeah.
They may relate also. And I'm sure there's some things that we will be able to think about even after. Yeah. So thank you so much, Shubham.
Lucky and privileged. Thank you very much.
I feel we are privileged. We got to hear all of these amazing lines in live person, as I said, with your longer hair.
You can thank Varun for
Yeah,
that.
we can thank Varun. So, for context to those who are wondering why Varun is being mentioned so much, Varun is a student of Shubham.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's the context.
I don't.
And Varun is in our team.
I find it very difficult to not listen to the request of my child.
I think
my
that's so
children or
sweet.
my students. So when he requested it, I'm like, yeah, मना तो कर सकते हैं पर नहीं यार चलते हैं. So yeah.
Anything for my kids.
Yeah, anything for them.
I think all educators can relate to that. Anything for your kids. So thank you so much, Shubham. Thank you so much to everyone that's watching. Thank you so much to the crew. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next week's episode. Thank you.